In this video, I'll be showing how to place a front license plate bracket on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the front bumper. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and locate my front license plate bracket. You're gonna want to remove your license plate for this. You'll find 4 rivets holding it down. I'll be using a 1/8 drill bit to remove it. And now for the last one. Now I'm going to take a 3/16 drill bit to drill the heads off of the rivets. This is so our bracket can come off. And here's our bracket. Here's our new bracket. I'm going to line it up. As you can see, it came provided with some rivets. I went and installed one on our rivet gun. Now I'm going to secure it. Now do the same with the other 3 rivets. Now go ahead and make sure your bracket is secure. And that completes our install. Go ahead and install your plate, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.